What's going on, guys? We are gonna bring you guys a brand new video. We're gonna ramp, we're gonna drift, and I hope you enjoy. And we're gonna be up there in 3, 2, 1.
He fell!
Run, keep the bike fast! Get the bike,
Come on, go! Go!
Is it recording?
Yeah.
So guys, the freaking black guy. Hey, he is out.
So he kicked us out. He kicked us out.
I'm leaving already. Bye.
He's over there.
Yeah.
Don't leave without your phone. I'm gonna drop it.
Hey, get here.
Here, I got you. Here, I got you. You got
The. Hey.
Where?
Got kicked out for the title.
You got kicked out? Yeah, I'm across the street. Oh, this is the baby right here. Oh my God! Now that was a beauty. All right. So we got one flat tire because we didn't record it, and we decided to do another one because someone didn't know how to record and paused it right when he fell in the ground. So
Okay,
we
guys.
erased that video. So
I hope you enjoyed.
shut up.
I hope you enjoyed, but right now we're just gonna be chilling here.
Okay, later.
I ate some sand.
Hey guys.